Sweetheart, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Why do you ask?
Well, you've been acting a bit funny. Since after dinner you've not been yourself. Is there a problem?
No, of course there's no problem. Acting funny how? I was just thinking about the clothes I need to hand wash. That's all. Would you help me?
What did you say? Sorry. Help you with your clothes? Since when? You have the dry cleaners at your beck and call, so you call them to come get the clothes.
Well, I can't send my underwears to the dry cleaners.
Well, you put them in the washing machine. That's what it's there for.
You're no longer romantic. What is wrong with you washing your wife's underwear?
Sandra, are you sure everything is okay? I don't see what I have said wrong here. I don't understand why you want to dig up some kind of ungodly argument in our union. You have never been this way. Why would you start now? We have the dry cleaners at your beck and call. They'll be willing to show up here anytime to do your laundry. For your private, personal effect, you put them in the washing machine. What is going on?
Well, I want you to start washing my underwears now. That is the only way I would know that you still really and truly love me.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.